naming the bikes because you can't hear me say anything. This is the first MaxWrist garage update of 2021. I'm going to let you hear how all these bikes sound. We're going to start off with the Fireblade 2012 CBR1000RR. It was my first bike. It's still here. It's almost 10 years old, but it is a beast still. Dana, come check out this instrument here. That's what it looks like on startup. Now, if you can go around back to the exhaust, it's got an Austin Racing exhaust on it, which sounds like a beast. That's the 2012 Fireblade. All right, 2015 BMW S1000RR. This bike, its instrument panel is a little bit damaged still from the loop, but let's go ahead and show you what it looks like. The RPM gauge is a little off. It's about -2,000. So when you start it up, it goes to 0. It's kind of odd. But this bike has the SC Project CRT rear end and the stock front end. Let's hear it. Sounds like it's got a little, I don't know, sounds odd, but it's definitely the loudest bike that is in here, I believe. The next, we're moving on to Phantom 2. That's Phantom 1 over there. You can't hear how Phantom 1 sounds because Phantom 1's got a few missing pieces. Phantom is a parts bike now, which has made these bikes whole. So this is the 2020 BMW S1000RR. Dana, could you come around and get this dash start up? This is the nicest display by far out of all these bikes, I can tell you that. You ready for this?
We should have wiped it out first.
All right, this is the 2020 BMW S1000RR. It has stock exhaust, stock headers, 800 miles on it. This bike's going to be pretty quiet. It does have the Brent tune though, and it's running on 91 octane. All the bikes are running on 91 octane today. Much more quiet. We have a couple of revs. Sounds pretty good though. There is a slight difference in those. This is Phantom 3 2020 BMW S1000R. It has the stock headers on it, the cap, but it has the SC Project CRT back end. You've already seen this display, so if you go ahead and go to the back here to the exhaust, we'll hear how it sounds. It only gave me 7,000 RPMs there. The Beamers are nice because they don't let you rev beyond what temperature they want you to. It's nice. All right, for fun, we have Dana's bike in here, the 2018 Honda 500R. We're going to hear that real quick. Stock exhaust, stock everything.
Very boring.
Alright.
Whatever.
Are you guys ready for this?
Woo! You know it. Look at that teeny tiny little hole. Nice and tight, just like it should be. No, I'm just kidding. That's
But
bad. Cut that out.
so this bike does have a little bit of sound to it, right? When you let on throttle, it's like it lets off slowly.
Yeah, we're gonna lose battery
it's
pretty
crazy.
soon.
So that was pretty uneventful, but I think your bike is gonna be louder than this 2020 Honda Grom. That's the last startup for you. You guys ready?
You know it.
You want to see the display on this one? It's actually the same as yours.
Exactly. Oh, that's too funny. Sure is.
Wait, you got that little line there. Oh yeah, it's the same exact display.
Wow.
All right, let's hear the Grom go. It's not in neutral. There you go.
Ooh, it's got a little hole
Ready?
like me. Oh, it is quiet.
Quieter than your.
A lot
500.
quieter.
It sounds like it wants to turn off all the time. It's like barely breathing.
Yeah.
It
It's super fun though.
sounds like it's about to turn on. Let me give it some gas. Oh! It wants more engine temperature for sure. So that's the Grom. And that's the first MaxWrist Garage update of 2021. This is all the bikes we have right now. The plans this year are to get the BMW M1000RR when it comes out. I don't know if I'll have to get rid of any of these bikes to do it, but we're going to make it happen this year, Max fam. Thank you for all your support, and we'll see you on the next Garage update. One thing that I forgot to mention, we have set this 2020 BMW up, Phantom 2, as a track bike, and we are taking it to Chuckwalla next week. So as you can see, we have taken off the lights front and back. You can see here, race fairings on here. There's no lights. Can you show them in this little crevice down here? It's all naked up there.
Mm-hmm.
We don't even have a kickstand. That's gone. This is pure race bike. And I do have to give a shout out to the master mechanic, Titanium Moto. Come on in. He's been back here watching, but big shout out to Titanium Moto, Mexican Money 626, and Motorsport Junkies 310. They really made this happen. All these bikes were sitting in pieces. I've had them ready to go. I just don't have the time or the knowledge to get it done, and they just knocked it out in a few days. And so, shout out to you guys. Thank you very much. All right, Max fam, we love you. We'll see you on the next episode. Peace, peace. One last added bonus feature. I am going to start up every bike at the same time for you and let you hear what, I didn't count them first, 6 bikes sound like all together. 4 Superbikes and 2
Super awesome bikes.
super awesome bikes. That's right. Let's start off with the Fireblade real quick. Hopefully they all start again. This one, the display is not the same as it was before. those too loud.
Yeah, you should have started at the other end. Definitely should have started at the other
Now
end.
the 500 and Grom. You can still hear them.
No, you can now hear them.
Yeah.
You know it.
Well, that was fun. I smell, if you come back here, it smells like straight fuel.
Yeah, I smelled it when I was back there.
Yeah, big time. So, they're almost all of them are ready to take out to ride. So, I'm waiting on a piece from New Race Cycles on the 2015 to get some signals on it and a tail tidy, and then they're good to go.
Nice.
Oh, well, I need some help on the fire blade. We're gonna have Titanium Moto take his best crack at it, see what he can do too. So stand by for that. Peace, Max. And we'll see you on the next garage update with hopefully something new. No, I'm gonna cut that out. Thanks a lot. Thanks everybody. Goodbye. See you on the next episode.